My name is Godliver Omgisha. I'm a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Engineering, Busitema University. I'm also a researcher in AI and data science. I'm going to be talking about the work I've been doing. This is to do with artificial intelligence and it's applied in the area of agriculture. So we've been working in partnership with the National Agriculture Institute, NACRI, to solve the challenge of crop disease as we look into food security. We understood that some of the challenges they are going through, for example, to inform farmers about the status of their crops, doing a national-wide survey, and but this process is really very tedious, and because we have very limited experts in the country. So from the data science and artificial intelligence side, so we said, could we automate some of these tasks? For example, diagnosing these diseases using a mobile phone. We work with cassava as the crop here. Cassava is a very staple food crop in Africa, feeding more than 5 million people daily, and but that's faced with so many diseases. Like I said, our first initial work was to use a mobile phone to, for example, take a picture and do the auto-diagnosis. And actually farmers were able to do that on their side, and they also send us information back, and we analyze the information and also give them feedback. But so the problem we have here right now is the time of diagnosis. Usually by the time this happens, the root part of the crop is already affected. You cannot feed on a rotten cassava tube. Could we detect these diseases early enough when we can make an intervention? So we are using modern technologies. I would say spectrometry is one of them, and we are using this technology to make sure that we read information within a plant or within a crop that we are working with, and make sure that we inform the people that this crop is sick before a lot of damages. Because we've constructed a low-cost spectrometry technology that should help smallholder farmers to diagnose diseases in their farms or gardens. So the technology is cheap, for example, and it's user-friendly. It also works on a mobile phone platform. So this helps the farmers to use the tool very well. This time period is very important because once the disease is detected very early enough, we can save, for example, very many plants that would have been affected by this disease. So this work is done in partnership with different teams, Busitema University, the AI and Data Science Lab, Makerere University, and University of Groningen. I also want to thank our funders, in this case Data Science Africa and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So we extend our thanks so much to all the different people that have supported this work. We work with different farmers, really getting information from a smallholder farmer is very important for this research. So for our experiments, we work with a team of biochemists and a team also of data scientists. The biochemists help us with the ground information, the ground truth that we need to know about this plant. This experiment is very expensive, so that's why the AI and data science is very vital in this process. That once we've learned some of the things, we don't have to come and repeat them over time. We always learn from the data that we have, and that's the beauty with the AI and data science. So there are many applications of AI and data science. As the university, we aim at training our students to get these skills to solve real-world challenges.